Hi dear children, welcome to Max class. In this class we are going to learn about area. Okay, so what does mean by area, children? So area means the amount of space occupied by the closed figure. Okay, for example, see this rectangle. So rectangle, this inside surface, okay, this inside surface is the area of this rectangle. Okay, we know what is perimeter. This boundary, the length of the boundary is called perimeter. Area means this inside surface, the surface, amount of surface occupied by the shape. This circle, this space, this surface is the image, children. So in this image, one learned is there. Can you see the learned from this image, children? So I want to find area of this land. Okay. So first see what is the shape of this land. Very good, rectangle shape. This land is rectangle shape. Okay, so do you have any idea to find area of this rectangular land, children? Anybody have any idea? Yeah, very good. So we can use some square tiles to fill this land. So using the square tiles, use the square tiles to fill the land. After that, count how many square tiles are we used to fill this land. That is the area of the land. Okay, let us use some square tiles to find the area of this land. Tiles was required. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tiles are required to fill the row. Now count, children, how many such rows are there? Yeah, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 such rows are there. So 5 rows are there and each row had 10 tiles. So how many tiles got used? Yeah, very good. 5 times of 10. That is a row into column. 5 into 10 is equal to what, children? 50. Very good. So totally 50 tiles were used to fill this land. So what's the area of this land, children? Very good, 50. Okay, how we find the area of this land? Row into column. So 5 rows, 10 columns. So 5 into 10. 5 tens are 50. So 50 area of this land is 50. Dear children, if the surface is small, we can use the square tiles to find the area. But suppose if the surface is large, so we need some formula to find the area. Okay, so now we are going to derive the formula to find area of rectangle, area of square and area of triangle. Okay, see this, this is what shape? Yeah, rectangular shape. We know this is length, this is breadth. This also length and breadth. Okay, you know how to find the area, children? Row into column. That's all. So area of rectangle is equal to area of rectangle is equal to row into column. The row into column. So row is what? Length into breadth. Row into column, that is length into breadth. And also we used some squares to find the area. So the unit should be square unit. Understand, children? SQ square, SQ URE square. So use this two words SQ only. Okay. So L into B square unit. If the unit is meter, your answer is square meter. If the unit is centimeter, that is the L value, length is 5 centimeter, breadth is 3 centimeter. So your answer is 5 3s are 15 square centimeter. Understand, children? Square unit. So or we can say if it is meter means square meter, or if you can write meter square, in the top you put 2. Okay, meter square, or yes, centimeter, square centimeter means centimeter square. Okay, so what's the formula for area of rectangle? Length into breadth, L into B square unit. Next, area of square. Okay, see this square. So you know the sides, all the sides, 4 sides are equal. So we represent the side is A. Okay, now I make the formula for find the area of square. Children, we know length, row into column, that is A into A. So all the sides the value is same A. So A into A, so that is side into side. Okay, side into side. So what's the formula for area of square? Side into side, square unit. Dear children, next we are going to find area of triangle. Okay, see this, what is this shape children? What is this shape of this chart? A rectangle. Now we are going to make 2 triangles from this rectangle. Okay, so you draw like this line, then cut along this line, you will get 2 triangles from this rectangular sheet. See here children, from this rectangular shape we will get 2 triangles. Okay, now from this what do you understand children? Area of triangle is equal to half of area of rectangle. Okay, here one rectangle is divided into 2 half. So area of triangle is equal to half of. Okay, so from the rectangle we get 2 equal triangles. Okay, so half into area of rectangles. Understand children? So we know already what is the formula to find area of rectangle? L into B. Now so area of triangle formula is half into L into B. Understand children? So area of triangle is equal to half into L into B, that is half of area of rectangle, then square unit. Okay, got it children? So today we learned the formula for area of square, area of rectangle, then area of triangle. The next class we are going to do some sums.